you can see how the energy is flowing. Then it gives you haptic feedback that stop here, otherwise you will kick the petrol in. Alright, so let's just cruise with the EV only power, and let me show you some of the screens in the car. So there's Apple CarPlay, of course, wireless. You can see some statistics. Right now 27 is my average electric power consumption, right? And so it means that right now we have an 18 kilowatt hour battery pack in the Audi Q7 55 tfsi E in the third generation, so 2020 models. Now with the 2025 model, you can get a bigger battery cup. Obviously we reach even better consumptions, but if you see, I've been driving around for more than 15 minutes. I've driven almost 20 kilometers. I started on the main road and now I'm in the city, and I've got 23 left without AC. It's a cloudy September day, so it's pretty nice. And if you check my long-term memory, it's 7 liters, guys. That's absolutely crazy and nuts. 7 liters in a car with almost 400 horsepower. And once I went out to the motorway, then I'm gonna kick the petrol engine in and I'm gonna enjoy the 400 horsepower. So in the city, the 140 horsepower is more than enough. So it's dynamic enough. Of course, the limits are around 30 and 50, so it's enough. Let's say a map view, one of my favorites. If you can zoom in, zoom out easily from the wheels, and also you can see a blue line. Now, can you find out what's the blue line about? Because first I was thinking about it. It's simply just showing you the EV range. Simply showing you the EV range, and that's pretty useful, isn't it? Now you've got also some things like you can set the map, like you can set it automatic zoom in and so on. I didn't even know this, that you can bring this out. So these are the option menu. Oh yeah, nice. And this one, I really like this. So you can see how the energy is flowing, right? So now I'm braking, it charges back. I stopped, and it does not. Nothing is happening. And if I start, and it shows you that it's using the EV power. Now, if I use the petrol engine, it comes with an orange color. That's also pretty nice. So you can just stop, and it works like this. It's pretty nice. Also, you can set it like this, and this is the computer, and you can see the oil heat level on the right hand side. Yeah, it's nice. And you know, I can set now the predictive driving, because I'm in the jam. So I just give it a kickstart with the throttle, set it to 30 kilometers per hour, and it will keep the line for me. On the left, on the top, at the bottom right side, you can see that both two lines are green. It means that it keeps the lane. If it's not green, then it doesn't keep the lane. Now, I didn't know at the beginning, but you've got buttons at your hands, and it's just one button to turn the line keeper off. It's really useful on the motorway. And we just start again. And on the left speedometer, you can see that, you know, it's using the EV power. It's pretty nice. I forgot how to set it, but you can set like haptic feedback on the throttle, and if you push the throttle to the level of 50% of, I don't know what's that, boost, or I don't know, 50% of the torque or whatever on the left hand side, then it gives you haptic feedback that stop here, otherwise you will kick the petrol in. It's pretty useful. So yeah, really heavy traffic, and it stops. The car stopped, and it says it's ready to start again. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hope it gave you some useful information. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm gonna shoot you some petrol fun as well once we are out on the motorway.